talk to your eyes. I was a wanderer, aimless in the night, till your spirit whispered truth and pulled me toward the light. No shallow attraction, no fleeting thrill, but a depth of connection time couldn't kill. Your grace redefined what beauty meant to me. In your stillness I found serenity. My pursuit was once pleasure, fleeting and fast, but your love built the future designed to last. Now I'm anchored in devotion, no longer adrift. You elevated my soul, girl, you gave me the lift. You didn't come loud, but you came true. And now every heartbeat belongs to you. You're my wifey, not by law, but by love divine. The rhythm of my soul, the poetry in my rhyme. From dusk till dawn, I long for your embrace. With every sunrise, I crave your face. You're my wifey, sophisticated and sublime. A rare design, perfectly aligned. You move with elegance, speak with grace. You're the melody in my sacred space. Wifey, my wifey, oh. Your intellect sparkles, your silence speaks. A queen who walks wisdom, yet kisses my cheek. You got that fire, but it burns slow. Controlled elegance with a radiant glow. Whether silk dress or your casual threads, you steal every scene, stay steps ahead. You uplift, you refine, you nurture and teach. You're the kind of love sermons try to preach. Now my days revolve around your light. You turn my wrongs into something right. You didn't chase, you inspired my chase. And now your name lives in every grace. You're my wifey, not by vows but by soul's decree. The calm in my chaos, the root of my peace. From morning hush to midnight dance, you embody love's true romance. You're my wifey, regal yet free, a goddess in jeans or evening tea. I see forever every time you smile. With you, girl, forever's worth every mile. Oh, you're my forever, yeah. Let the world talk, they don't know the depth of the bond we share. With each sacred breath, you ain't a maybe. You're my must, you're my now, my always, my trust. Let's toast to patience and lessons learned to